What's up guys, this is a quick unboxing of my new iPhone 8 Plus. So it's the space grey one and it comes in this grey box. It's a 256 gigabyte. So this is just going to be a quick unboxing to show you what it looks like when it first comes. So right, I'm going to pull this tab off now. Take the plastic off it. Get rid of that. So you get this booklet with it, which is a quick startup instructions. You get the pin to put your SIM card in and some Apple stickers as well. So right guys, this is the phone itself and we'll have a look at that in a minute. So you just get a charger in the box and you get a pair of headphones and the lightning port for it as well, and you get the charging lead. So this is the phone itself. It feels really nice. So I will take these tab off. So right, that's the tab off and it looks really nice. I'm really happy with it. It's grey on the sides. So right guys, that's the tab taken off it and it looks really nice, really nice. On the back of it, it's got glass on it and I thought it'd be really slippy, but actually it's pretty grippy. It's not going to slip out your hands or anything like that, but I'm really happy with it. Like I said before, it's a space grey at the back and it's like a dark space grey, but for some reason it's coming up as black on the camera, but trust me, it is like a dark space grey and I really like it. So right, what can I tell you about it guys? It's got a 5.5 full HD LCD screen at the front of it. It's got a 7 megapixel front camera, and the actual earpiece is a speaker as well now, so that you can use it to listen to music and your videos as well, not just listen to phone calls. So it's still got the Touch ID at the bottom, which is the home button, but it's no longer a button anymore, it's just a sensitive pad. And it's really good. It does feel like a button once you've set the sensitivity on it and everything, and I really like that actually. So it's got two speakers at the bottom as well, so altogether you've got three speakers. And apparently with these speakers, they're supposed to be 20% louder than the last iPhone, which is really good. On the back of it, like I said, it's glass at the back, and the reason why it's glass, so you can use it for wireless charging. It's got a dual camera at the back as well. One's a wide angle camera and the other one's a ×2 zoom camera. So right guys, that's about it really. The rest of it is just turning it on and going through the features, but there's not much difference in it really, apart from the iOS being upgraded and stuff like that. But I'm just going to leave this as a quick unboxing and a short video. And thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.